Lady Gaga is attempting to open up and bring awareness to the painful illness she suffers from, fibromyalgia. In Gaga's new documentary, Gaga 5'2", the 31-year-old gives fans a backstage look at her life, and that includes chronic pain from this disorder. According to People magazine, it causes widespread muscle pain and tenderness and can invoke fatigue, sleep, memory, and mood issues. Gaga tweeted about it saying, "I wish to help raise awareness and connect people who have it." Fans will also get to see how Gaga gets treatment to help ease muscle spasms that reportedly cause pain across the entire right side of her body, which necessitates body rubs and ice to help ease the discomfort. Hopefully, Gaga's efforts to expose her illness will help others with fibromyalgia feel more comfortable about revealing their symptoms and seek further treatment. Sick of these promos? Then like us and subscribe so we won't have to make up any new ones.